the future of online security, passkeys. The problem with passwords. Passkeys, on the other hand. Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about something that's quickly becoming the future of online security, passkeys. Passkeys are a new way of signing in that replaces traditional passwords. Instead of typing in something you need to remember, like a password, passkeys use a secured link between your device and your online accounts. So why are these fast becoming the preferred choice? The problem with passwords is that they can be guessed, stolen, or reused across multiple sites and apps. Passkeys, on the other hand, are much safer. They can't be phished, they are unique to each account, and you don't have to remember them. That makes logging in both much more secure and much easier. So here's how it works. When you create a passkey, your device stores a secret key that never leaves your phone or computer. To log in, you just use your fingerprint, Face ID, or device's PIN. The website or app then checks with your device to confirm it's really you. No typing, no remembering, and no risk of someone stealing your password. Passkeys are already supported by global giants such as Apple, Google, and Microsoft. And more websites and apps are adopting them, including local businesses here in New Zealand, such as our national airline, Air New Zealand. Over time, passkeys will likely replace passwords completely. So, next time you see the option to use the passkey, give it a try. It's the easiest and most secure way to sign in. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you'd like help setting up modern security for your business, our team is here to support you. Bye for now.